Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. Are you currently having problems with your Tinder app not working and you want to be able to fix this? Well then this video is going to be perfect for you. Well actually me myself I had the exact same problem before and I'm going to show you how I was able to fix it. So basically what I did firstly was that I just closed my Tinder app and instead I went into the settings app on my phone. So I opened up the settings app on my phone instead, and then in here what I did was that I scrolled down and then I clicked on general. So I clicked on general and then I scrolled down once again and I clicked on storage in here. And yeah, now we just have to wait a couple of seconds for this page to completely load. And then when it's done, what you're going to do is to click on the search symbol in the top right corner. So click on the search symbol. In here, we're just going to search for Tinder, as you can see. So click on the Tinder app. And then in here, you're just going to click on upload app. And once again, click on upload app. Just going to wait a couple of seconds for this page to load, and then you're going to click on the blue button here once again. Now just wait for your Tinder app to completely update to the latest version. It's going to probably take you a couple of minutes, sometimes even longer unfortunately, but just wait for it to completely load, as you can see. Then go back into your Tinder app and hopefully now it's going to be working for you as well.